at the Elgin and Winter Garden Theater tonight. It's the premiere of The Old Man and the Gun. Now, what do you suppose this film's about? Well, it's basically about an old man, Forrest, who, like, at the age of 70, becomes one of the oldest people to break out of San Quentin prison. And then basically goes on a series of heists. Then there's a detective that gets caught up in this mess. And basically a love affair breaks out. This film basically finds Robert Redford, who, like, stars in the film, on the run. Basically. Kind of like Robert Redford walk along the shortened red carpet here in this rain. Now basically because of the rain, a lot of the stars that, like, showed up basically just walk right in. Alright. Press is, like, basically all inside, as you can see. Yeah. Touching little film, isn't it? The Old Man and the Gun. Premiering at Elgin Winter Garden tonight.